Fawaz Sarwar, Honorable Asif Muzaffar Sheikh, Registrar SACP, and other Honorable SACP officers, including ladies and gents, President, Pakistan Tax Bar, Munir Hussain, Secretary, Pakistan Tax Bar, Chaudhry Qamar Zaman, my regime members, member of the executive committee, members and chairmen of the from all committees, and most important by all members, Lahore Tax Bar, Assalamu Alaikum. It is a wonderful occasion. Lahore Tax Bar Association constitute, establish the facilitation tax of the SCCP in Lahore Tax Bar. We can say that we brought the SCCP into our Lahore Tax Bar. Now it is a Lahore Tax Bar, it can be termed as the second office of the SCCP officials, including Honorable Chairman. What was the theme, what was the purpose of such kind of office over here? For the further clarification of my present members, some of the person was viewed that we are here to collect the documents and provide the services, not to go to the SCCP. This is not purpose of the facilitation of tax. We are here to eradicate your problems, issues, stuck-ups where you are, so that your smooth operation, your practice should have been ensured. We are not, this desk is not substitute of your practice. You have to do your practice yourself. If you do not have any issue with the operation of the SCCP, you are not required to come here and touch the desk. If you have any problem, which you have best efforts you have done, and then if the problem has not been resolved, then contact us. And we will resolve the issues on fast-track basis, having established contact with SCCP, and we ensure that SCCP official will cooperate with our staff members, our bar. Here, when we were in the process of the establishing desk and subsequent training of our staff members, it was assumed that from the SCCP that we will call on the helpline, we will send the email, and that will respond will be received. I must clarify that this job is being done by our member itself. This desk should not come through helpline or through email. We should contact direct person, relevant person, so that immediately problem should have been resolved. I expect that my staff member, when put the telephone, the matter should have been resolved. Not even a delay, not a day. If the company can be incorporated in a one day, why not the problems can be resolved within a shortest time? So this is the, yes, we will train our members. I have a schedule, I have trained my regime and asked to the relevant staff. We will guide to the people that the minimum problem should have been resolved. We will educate our people that they should, because I get aware of many things which we were not aware before that. When you have a direct established contact with the SCCP official, they guide us how to proceed, how to behave with IT environment. Our members, most of the members, senior member, medium age member, are not oriented with, not working within IT environment. Rather than myself rather than my children are more forced into a work in an IT environment. But we have to adopt that. We will train our staff member in the IT environment so that issues should have been minimized. But where the genuine issues are there, they should have been resolved. Having this opportunity, I just add 2, 3 more important issue, and I may draw the attention to the chairman. It was agreed with the Shahbaz Sarwar Sahab. In the counter, the staff will be bar members from the bar side, and the bar member will be served. We request that, humbly request that, a CCP person should sit here along with our members. It will enhance the image, enhance the operation of the counter facilitation desk as well. If the SCCP staff, officer, or junior officer is sitting here, I imagine that, I expect that the issue will be resolved more smoothly, more quickly. If the SCCP staff is sitting here, our staff member will be trained more quickly, they will acquaint with each other more quickly. So that, as we discussed already, the public expectation should be met. Through this desk, this facility desk, as we are working very closely with SCCP, we will send you the more proposal practically which we are facing. We will send you the proposal not to the change the law, the act, but your rules regulation, to simplify the rule regulation. If you work in an IT environment, so then rules, regulations should be simplified, not the complicated. I am working last 30 years with the SCCP in my article and after my qualification or whatever. Now the SCCP regulations are more complicated, more difficult, more required to do the compliance. If we do it simple and friendly to the user, your regulation, your rules should be in compliance with your IT environment. Your rules regulations are prepared for the manual purpose, but you are working in an IT environment. Why not they should have been streamlined according to the IT requirements? Then the practice for us will be more easier and the compliance will be easy, and our clients will be so convenient to broad your business in a corporate culture. If you say that we have 1,50,000 companies and we around thousands listed companies, I propose to that the public listing should have been easier, simple, so that the small and medium-sized companies should come into the public sector and they should join investment with the small investors. Presently, you have regulated the very high to the stock change. No doubt, you have curbed the fraud and misuse and fraudulent activities. But the small investor has been wiped out from the stock exchange. The big investors are holding stock exchange. If the small investors, you have a lot, theoretically you have the line of the 5,000, we can invest in a 5,000 rupees in a public shares. But practically then we come to that the small investor is being wiped out. The big investor and the members of the brokers, they are